Hi friends, today for the Word Work Center, we're going to solve some sight word puzzles. So we have pictures. We're going to look at the pictures. We have a train, pen, elephant. So we need to figure out the beginning sound for each of these words. So I have train. I'm going to pull up the T, train. Then I have the word hen, hen. I'm going to pull up my H, hen. Then we have elephant, elephant. I'm going to pull up the E. I hear an E at the beginning of elephant. Now I just spelled a sight word. One of our favorite sight words, T-H-E. So remember, some say the, some say the, but it's always spelled T-H-E. So you're going to read the sight word, the. Now this is totally optional. You can type the word the in the box as well. Do you see how I just typed the word the? That is totally optional. You can do it if you want to, okay? So again, you can type right here, the, but you do not have to. That's an optional. So again, for each one, you're going to look at the pictures and figure out the beginning sound. Then you're going to spell a sight word and read the sight word to someone in your house. All right, friends, have fun, and we will see you for Writing Center.